Ekikorwa ky'okwemirimo nikyenda abasirikare 50 hamwe n'abakozi 23 kuruga muri disitulikiti ya Masindi abararondwe. Brigadier General Rogers Kitwala arikura okwemirimo omuri Mid Western Region hamwe na Deputy Commander wa Artillery Division nagira ngu babire baronzire abantu 209 hamwe n'abakugu 120. Abantu 76 hamwe n'abakugu 55 nibo barebukire akutoranwa. Kitwala yagira ngo abamwe tibarabiremu abo kushangwa bine bihandiiko by'ebicupuri kandi n'endangamuntu zaabo zikaba zitakushana n'ebihandiiko by'obwegyese.
Forgery. You have got some people with forged papers, and those who come with papers which are not matching. Some people come with papers which are not matching. And also we have those who have marks on their body, which is not recorded.
Yagira ngo abashangirwe bine bihandiiko by'ebicupuri bakatwarwa kubachondoza. Kitwala yashaba abazaire okushomesa abaana baabo batihamu ogwo kucupura.
You come with a forged paper, if we prove, we hand you over to our intelligence staff for further investigation. And maybe what I can appeal to the parents, take the children to school.
Abandi bakabihamu abo kushangwa bine enkojo za tatu bafumire nyindo bine obuhere hamwe na n'ebindi byetagwo. Kitwala yashaba bihirwemu kurebuka ngo bagire micwe bakunda ihanga kandi bakozese bihandiiko ebishikire kukorera ihanga.
So let them come prepared, let them come with the right documents, and let them come with that discipline and integrity that was recommended by their leaders. Because for us here, when you see one recommends a person, then we think that person has discipline, that person has integrity.
Kitwala nagira ngo UPDF egenderire kutunga abasirikare 599 okuruga Mid Western Region kandi 63 kuruga mu district ya Masindi okurugirira abantu ababazirwe omu UBOS.
Regular, we have 89 shortlisted, and the professionals who have 120 shortlisted. These we shall get them at the end of the exercise to know how many have come for recruitment out of that number and how many we have taken.
Okutora n'abasirikare nikuzagumizamo omuri Kiryandongo, Hoima City, Hoima Rural hamwe na Nakikube District. Makuru aga gashakwa Innocent Atuganyira omuri Masindi.